This is second video on buying a put. There is a first video on buying a put. If you are watching this video before watching the first one, please go through the first one and come back. Link to the first video is given in the description. Nifty options weekly contracts 15th May Friday to 21st May is taken as example. You already know for Nifty options the underlying asset would be Nifty. So Nifty's range high and low values for each day of the contract is given for reference. On the first day of contract 15th May, Nifty closed at 9136.85. Call premiums and put premiums are also at the end of first day of the contract. That is 15th May. Now have a look at the table. In the middle, strikes are given in the ascending order. That is from low to high. 8,800, 8,850, 8,900 up to 9,300. On the left to the strikes, you notice call premiums. On the right, you notice put premiums. For example, for 8,800 strike, the call premium is 387 and put premium is 53. All these numbers are in rupees. Now, you also notice the colors used are green, yellow, blue. You may be wondering why. We'll come to that a little later. You need to learn some terms and definitions. ATM. It stands for at the money. ATM option is an option whose strike price is equal or close to market price of the underlying. An ATM option may or may not have intrinsic value. So first, what is the underlying? Nifty. And Nifty's value is 9,136. Next, which strike is close to 9,136? It is 9,150. So that makes 9,150 as ATM option marked in yellow. Same data, some more terms and definitions. ITM, intrinsic value and extrinsic value. ITM stands for in the money. A put is in the money if its strike is more than or above current market price of underlying. An ATM option has intrinsic value. Then let us find out what are in the money puts. Underlying is Nifty, current value is 9,136. Strikes above 9,136 are 9,200, 9,250, 9,300 marked in green. Intrinsic value is the amount by which an option is in the money. Extrinsic value is a portion of option premium. It is also referred as time value of premium. In case of ITM put option, this is option premium less intrinsic value. Okay. One more term, OTM, stands for out of the money. A put is out of money if its strike is less than or below current market price of underlying. Nifty value is 9,136, so 9,100, 9,050, 9,000 till 8,800 are out of money put options. Another point here is out of money put has no intrinsic value. Extrinsic value, a portion of option premium, also referred as time value of premium. In case of OTM put option, the whole premium is extrinsic value. So, how to calculate these values? We have already seen the definitions of intrinsic value and extrinsic value. Now, they are given again for reference. We need to do some simple calculations to find out these values. How to calculate intrinsic value? For ITM put, you take a strike and subtract the value of underlying Nifty to get the intrinsic value. So, we will take one ITM put and its value. 9,200 put and the premium 204.9. Nifty at close is 9,136.85. Strike 9,200, subtract or minus 9,136.85. Intrinsic value is 63.1 15. Then how do you get the extrinsic value or time value of the premium? 9200 put premium is 204.9 minus intrinsic value 63.15. Time value of premium is 141.75. Very simple, right? Treat ATM option like a ITM option to calculate intrinsic and extrinsic value. For OTM put options, no calculations are necessary. Whole OTM put premiums are extrinsic values. So far you have learned the concepts and definitions relating to options. Let us look at the transaction. Buying a put. You have assessed the market and thought that market would go down and decided to buy a put. So you're long or buying one lot of Nifty. Contract expires on 21st May. 9100 put at 152.1. Money paid would be 75 into 152.1, that equals to 11,407.5. Of course, there would be some brokerage and other charges. To assess your profit or loss, you need to understand break even. Break even is a point at which there is no profit or loss. So 9100 minus 152.1 equals 8947.9. That is your break even point. You may wonder whether you need to hold the option till expiry. No, not necessary. If your price target is hit, you can sell your option, or the trade is going against you, you can book your loss. So it is a prudent trading practice having a target price, stop loss price when you enter a trade. You also need to understand the risk profile of buying a put option. Buying a put has limited risk and unlimited profit. Say you held the put till expiry. Let us see what happens on expiry day if Nifty closes at different levels. First, at 8,900, intrinsic value is 200. The profit will be 3,592.5, that is 200 minus 152.1 into 75. At 8,800, profit is some more at 11,092.5. At 8,700, it is 18,592.5. At 8,600, profit grows even more to 26,092.5. So as Nifty levels keep going down, profit keeps going up. Hence, profit is unlimited. You held the put till expiry. Your trade went against you. What would be your loss? Nifty expires at 9,000. Intrinsic value is 100. Your cost is 152.1. So loss is 3,907.5. That is 100 minus 152.1 into 75. At 9,100, the loss is 11,407.5. At 9,200, no intrinsic value, the loss is 11,407.5. At 9,300, the loss is 11,407.5. At 9,400, the loss is 11,407.5. So, as a buyer of put option, your risk is limited to the premium paid, 11,407.5. No matter where Nifty ends, you do not have to pay a rupee more. But be mindful, one can lose 100% of premium paid in case the trade goes against expectations. Finally, the contract expires on 21st May. Let us have a look at the data on 21st May, Thursday. Nifty closed at 9,106. In the table, the strikes from 8,800 to 9,300 are given and put premiums at those strikes. You notice that put premiums are from 5 paise to rupees 593.6. Is there a logic or pattern in these prices? Are they random? First, a calculation. Strike 9,150 minus Nifty value 9,106 is equal to 44. 9200 minus 9106 is equal to 94 and so on. You know by now 9150 to 9300 are in the money puts. We just calculated the intrinsic value. For out of money puts, you notice the premiums are close to 0. 5 paise, 10 paise, 25 paise. So what can we conclude? In the money puts expire at their intrinsic value and out of money puts expire worthless or close to 0. So you now have enough understanding about put options and how to buy them. But I suggest not to rush into trading. You follow 4-5 weeks of contracts of Nifty or Bank Nifty. 4-5 weeks would cover 1 monthly expiry also. You observe and learn how prices of Nifty or Bank Nifty are moving and premiums of puts are moving. You take some ITM puts and OTM puts. This exercise will help you build your confidence to trade later. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe or leave a comment or feedback, pass the word to the like-minded. Next video is selling puts. You need to have an understanding about margin, MTM gains, MTM losses. If you know futures trading, you are already familiar with these terms. Otherwise, I have created a video on futures trading. The link is below in the description. I have explained the basics of options in these videos, buying a call and buying a put very slowly and with examples and detail. I assume for next videos, you come with this basic knowledge. When I say ATM call or OTM put or intrinsic value or expiry, I assume you already know, so that we can move a bit faster without repetition. You can visit my channel on YouTube, search for Vara space CA, that is VARA space CA, and you will find all these videos. Thanks and appreciate your attention.